Hem representat el poema de l'Elionor de Miquel Martí i Pol a través d'una conversa de WhatsApp i l'hem fet perquè trobem que és un poema molt interessant.
Let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. I don't wanna be a big man. I just wanna fight with everyone else. Your masquerade. I don't wanna be a part of your parade. Everyone deserves a chance to walk with everyone else while holding down a job to keep my girl around, and maybe buy me some new strings and her a night out on the weekend, and we can win.